In this episode, we leave Carnarvon Gorge and head north towards Blackdown Tablelands before heading west to Outback Queensland. So we made it to Rainbow Falls, just a 2k walk from the car park. Pretty easy walk apart from essentially walking on marbles for a bit of it, so a bit slippy. But beautiful falls.
Yep, freezing cold, like standing in an esky.
Justin has got his swimmers on, but they aren't wet. He couldn't hack it.
No, I went for a swim, just people didn't see.
Okay. Now the 260 steps back to the top. Now it's time to explore some of Queensland's outback towns. Which has the big easel. What do you think about the big easel, Justin?
It's the best big.
The best
so
big?
Far. It's actually big.
It's pretty big and it's pretty. We found a free camping town with a toilet. However, it was under a railway bridge and next to the motorway. We thought it was a disused railway bridge. Alas, it was not. Time to explore the mines in Sapphire. We couldn't not stop at the Tree of Knowledge in Barcaldine. Next stop was Longreach, and in Longreach all you do is museum. We chose the Qantas Founders Museum. Where should we go?
Queensland.
Queensland.
V1, V2, rotate, flaps to 5. Entering the original Qantas hangar. Hey mate. This box.
old tractors. Blue one, red one, yellow one.
Pushing up through the ground, bursting with life. The coolabah's roots grow deep and strong, their branches reaching upwards seeking the sun.
Yeah. Get the hit things. That one's good.
This has been the best part of Winton so far.
So this is Arno's wall in Winton,
Oh, an Arga.
where he's put random stuff, including Argas.
Does that remind you of home?
Yeah, mine's not 6 feet high on a wall, but yeah. So what do you think of Arno's wall?
It's a lot of weird shit in a wall.
Cool, good summary.
Yeah.
Bladensburg National Park has an old wool shed and beautifully restored homestead. They had 67,000 sheep at their heyday. Oh, shut up.
Do it. Peter loves Susie. Good on you, Pete.
At shearing times, there was usually about 13 people working in and around the shed. They consisted of the overseer, 6 shearers, 2 wool classers, 1 wool presser, 2 roustabouts and 1 cook. The shed was accidentally burnt down in the early 60s and a new shed was erected in the mid 60s. The shed has 6 stands with a motor-driven plant which still operates. So what do you think happens, Justin?
They come up that ramp into these pens and you walk over there and you grab your mutt and drag her over. Do something with this scary looking bit of metal and then yoink them down there. You're in your slaughterhouse.
This is where I kill my backpackers. After exploring the national park, we headed to Middleton via Opalton on the scenic drive. So, we're here.
We're in Opalton.
So, we're in Opalton.
Yep.
Shops unfortunately only open 8 till 9 and 4 till 5, so we've missed that. And we're now going to read about the Opalton Township.
They're going to put a roof over it whenever the sign was made in about 1940.
Probably April 2007, so after that.
You must still be getting contracts.
We are at Old Cork Homestead, an old sandstone homestead and one of the oldest original in Western Queensland. Thank you for watching. Join us in the next episode when we explore the Red Centre.